everyone, this is KG Pro Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad, mag-i-utilize na naman natin to yung mga Barda TikTok compilation kasi may mga kanya-kanya na naman silang mga edits, may mga kanya-kanya na naman silang what do you call this, aside from edits, meron silang mga analysis na gusto din natin makita and gusto natin malaman. Pero in-analyze ko na yung kay David Licao ko sa KMJS. Panoorin nyo na yung dalawang upload ko, guys. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's see how good Barda in real life. Spoiler, it's giving my karapatan and secret self-love. Oh, wait, this is something like, wait. Okay. Now I get it. This is something like the same with Charmaine, tama ba? Si Charmaine yung nag-a-analyze ng what do you call this, ng mga body language ng Barda, right? Anyways, it's exactly, it's giving my karapatan and secret soft lunch vibes. Exactly. Soft lunch. Actually, for me, hard lunch na yan eh. Kasi parang bigla na lang talaga nila tayo na may mga ganyang eksena. They are talking, she knew his struggles before the world did. He confided in her, opened up in ways he really does, that the kind of trust that's just a friendship. Exactly. I'm so proud of him for today's video. At dahil dyan, kakain tayo ng chicken. May chicken ako. May chicken strip ako. Di mo kaya. May manok ako. Ay, hello. David. Ay, ayan na. Kailan ba? Kailan ba? Kailan ba mag-endgame tong dalawang to? Nakakainis. I don't wanna pressure them, pero iba ang nararamdaman ko sa kanila. I don't wanna pressure them. Ito na. Ready na. Ready na. Ready na, friends. May pa-friends lang kami, ikaw, ha? Tigilan mo ako.
Self-aware, someone who has dreams and goals, and someone who will support and accept my job, myself, personality. Chinita na hindi masyado chinita.
Oh my God, paulit-ulit talaga siya. The consistency talaga. The consistency of David talaga, no?
It's nice to like let your friends and family
Diba?
know that you love them and you care for them. Care for her a lot.
I care for her a lot.
Can we
Her.
qualify?
Ang ganda ng mga edits ngayon. Ang ganda ng mga edits ngayon, I swear. Oh my God. Okay. Uy, nag-iisang Barbie Fortesa. Yes. Nag-iisang Reyna. Reyna nga talaga siya. Ay, di mo kaya. Reyna talaga siya. Reyna talaga siya. Siyempre, ikaw. Ako hindi ganon. Ako hindi ganon. Ay. Barbie lang. Gusto ko talaga yung ugali niya kasi baklang-bakla talaga siya. No? Baklang-bakla talaga siya. Oh, very ano talaga siya. Very, what do you call this? Very, how do I say this? Very, may mental block ako. Very, kasi ang daming tumatakbo sa utak ko about them. Very, bakla. Ang dami ko kasing thoughts sa utak ko na gusto kong sabihin. Hindi ko ma-process kung ano yung uunahin ko. Alam mo yun? Tanga! I don't know kung kayo din ganyan. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Ang ganda ng buhok ko ngayon for today's video. Ulitin. Ay, wala na. And game na to ba si Sir Chavit? Walang pake si Sir Chavit for today's video. Ay, may mga edits naman.
Na-ready ka na ulit.
Always ready naman.
Always ready. Asan yung manok ko? Always ready siya.
Smart. Someone who is self-aware.
Mm-mm.
Who has dreams and goals. Someone who will support and accept my job, myself, personality. Hindi ka na hindi masyado sinita.
Oo. Oo, si Akla. Uy, hanggang ngayon, pinapanood ko pa din sa TikTok. Sa totoo lang. Tignan mo, asawa talaga siya. Oh, may pa-popcorn pa talaga sila.
In-invite na ako dito.
Mm.
And so I'm very, very happy to be here tonight.
In-invite,
I'm so
pero
excited
nagulat,
to
nakatabi niya pala.
proud of him. At, alam ko,
In-invite, pero nagulat, nakatabi pala for today's video. Hindi mo kaya.
For him, yung storya, yung script, yung character niya. So, noong una medyo nangangapa pa siya, pero he was just so excited
Mm-mm.
to work with him.
Very spontaneous siya magsalita. O, alam mo talaga yung from that. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite kong video sa kanila. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko sa kanilang dalawa. Favorite ko talaga yan sa kanilang dalawa. Tingnan mo naman the way they did it. Look at Barbie. Fuck! Ang magiging ina na magiging anak ko for today's video. Ganon ang eksena dyan. Ganyan yung mga tingin na magiging ina na magiging anak ko. Di ba? Di ba? Ha? Oh, I love the song. Maybe this time, oo. Maybe this time. Actually, sumasang-ayon na nga eh. Sumasang-ayon na ang panahon. Sumasang-ayon na. Anyways, ituloy natin ito mamaya. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!